Ladies and gentlemen, it seems that my keyboard still doesn't seem to be working right now, so I think the only way that we can get this thing to properly work is if I just smash it against the wall, and maybe it'll work. If this doesn't work, please let me know in the comment section below. Let's see. Oh, a piece came out. That's not a big biggie. I don't know what that is, but don't worry. Okay, there we go. Now it should be working. There we go. Yes. There we go. That's much better. Okay, let's see. It seems I've lost the keyboard. Let's just. Okay, so. Just smash it against the. Times. There we go. Oh, yes, the keyboard. Yes, there's the keyboard. There's the keyboard. Okay, let's run over here. Let's run over here. Okay. Oh. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. The keyboard. Yes, there we go. Okay, it should be working. It's not working. Okay. Well, this is garbage. This doesn't seem to work anymore. Obviously, doesn't work anymore. Doesn't work. And it's pure garbage. And garbage goes in the disposable with water. Lovely jubbly.